Here's the beginning to the Oxbow Trail. A little bridge crosses a little creek that drains in there, and then the trail actually begins right here. So we drove around the bottom, and then this is the start of the Oxbow Trail. According to all trails, it's 2.3 miles. 40-minute walk or so. Maybe an hour by the time we stop and look and take pictures. Nice little start to the trail though. He's getting ahead of me. Smile. Now we're back hiking along the Oxbow Trail. Just getting started. Beautiful sceneries all the way around. Now we made it about to the halfway point down the Pecos River. Have a little sign that says River Vista. So you walk the road for a while, and then you come up with a sign and head back on the trail. We're still at the end. I'm going to zoom in and see if you can see these white crane-like birds that are out here. Yep, right there. Hold still, boy, it's tough. Zoom all the way in. Now we're 1.5 miles in. The truck is setting clear. Nice little bench here. Chilling out, trying to see if I see some wildlife. Now we're coming to the end of the path. Let's see if you can see that bird. See the truck there, and we're last probably, I don't know, 1/4 mile. It's just been walking like a service road. This is all marshy, and you can see all the birds that are out there. Here's what the trail looked like this last 1/4 mile or so. Probably picking up this wind in my mic, but can't imagine what this looks like in the spring. Everything's dried up now, but always got to be green sometime. Yeah, we're coming to the end. See the truck clear down at the end of the road there. We're going to call it quits.